supporting female caregivers of individuals with FASD through acceptance and commitment training.
Fetal alcohol spectrum disorder is a lifelong disability that affects the brain and the body of people who are exposed to alcohol in the womb. Each person with FASD has both strengths and challenges and will need supports to help them succeed in many different parts of their daily lives.
I am the parent of a 15-year-old FASD youth, and I may not like him some days, but I love him to bits regardless of the troubles and would not have done life differently and would go mama bear on anyone who would hurt him. Days are hard and at times seem never ending. People don't understand and I'm looked at as a bad parent, always judged. But I know the truth and that's all that matters. He will remain my son, one of the loves of my life, forever.
Acceptance and Commitment Training, or ACT, is a mindfulness-based intervention aimed at helping us increase our psychological flexibility, staying grounded and very much in the present, be in contact with our values, and being able to commit and persist to our values through our actions. ACT is a powerful tool that helps each of us to increase our resilience, and this is especially relevant for us parents who may meet with special challenges when we raise our kids with special needs.
Scientists from CAMH and the University Health Network work together with Health Nexus and female caregivers of individuals with neurodevelopmental disabilities to co-deliver 2 Caregiver ACT interventions in May and September 2019 with and for female caregivers of individuals with FASD. Female caregivers learned about the ACT model through group experiential activities emphasizing links between emotions, thoughts, behaviors, and values. Results showed that female caregivers reported significant decreases in stress after the workshop, and these decreases were maintained at the 3-month follow-up. As such, preliminary evidence suggests that ACT workshops may be helpful in improving the psychological well-being of female caregivers of individuals with FASD. However, this study did have limitations, including a small sample size and lack of diversity within the participants.
I remember how I felt in the ACT workshop, and I want to recreate that powerful yet relaxing feeling I felt. Practicing mindfulness reduces my stress and anxiety about being a caregiver of an adult with FASD, and I'm learning to accept what's out of my personal control, and I remember those and I feel the strength from the other female caregivers, and that really helps me go forward in my own caregiving role. I use patience and I take a minute to stop and take a breath, and then I deal with the situation.
It was really enlightening to be able to hear the stories from the other participants and also to share my experience. Once I'd completed the ACT therapy sessions and returned home, I was very eager to continue the ACT practice in my day-to-day life.
This research has been funded by Women's College Hospital Women's Xchange. The voices in the video are team members as well as caregivers who attended the workshop.